Hey everyone, Ben Greenberg here, founder of Inventions Unlimited. Do you have an idea but don't know how to get started? In this series, we'll explore the invention process, answer FAQs, and highlight pitfalls. Whether you're an experienced inventor or just starting out, you'll gain some valuable insight. Well, let's get started. Simply put, 3D printing allows you to create three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. It's like printing a document, but instead of ink on paper, you're using materials like plastic, resin, or metal to build physical objects. 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that makes prototyping easier than ever. So what exactly is so magical about 3D printing? Well, it allows you to turn your ideas into a reality quickly and easily. No more waiting weeks or months for a prototype to be developed. With 3D printing, you can create prototypes in a matter of hours. This rapid prototype capability is a game changer for inventors, allowing you to iterate on your designs quickly and effectively. But 3D printing isn't just for prototype. It can also be used to create functional end-use parts. This opens up a whole world of possibilities for inventors, allowing you to create custom-made products, low-volume production runs, and even on-demand manufacturing. The best part about 3D printing is that it's becoming increasingly accessible. 3D printers are becoming more affordable and user-friendly, making them a viable option for innovators of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned inventor with a workshop full of tools, or a complete beginner with a great idea. So if you're looking for a way to take your prototype or invention to the next level, then 3D printing is a technology you need to explore. Here at Inventions Unlimited, we can help you learn more about 3D printing and how to integrate it into your own invention process. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to turn your invention idea into reality, visit our website at inventionunlimited.com to schedule your free consultation. We look forward to bringing your invention to life.